Okay. Major religious sect. With the start of medieval period, Hindustan, Hinduism started the facing both internal and external threat. Internal, that is shortcoming and rigidity of caste, introduction of new religion as Islam, that is external. The age saw the development of new path of bhakti, rooting out evils, promoting harmony, and the path of bhakti grew as movement and spread across the country. So there are two sects. First is निर्गुण भक्ति, सगुण भक्ति. निर्गुण में है राम स्नेही संप्रदाय, कबीर, बिश्नोई, जसनाथ जी, दादू पंत, प्रणामी एंड निरंजनी, लालदासी. एंड जो सगुण है वहाँ पर है रामानुजन, नाथ, निम्बार्क, वल्लभ, पशुपत, गोडिया, चरणदासी, निष्कलंक एंड मीरा. Ram Snehi sect. Ram Dwara means the doorway to the Lord Rama. It is a place of worship for people who believe in Ram Snehi, which advocate chanting of Ram. Ram Snehi means people who love God. Their way of worshipping God is simple. People of all faith, caste, section visit Ram Dwara. Ram Snehi believe in the name of God and do not believe idolatry. The Ram Snehi only follow the simple and easily defined rule. Ram Snehi just do darshan of the chair of current Acharya. This sect was founded Ramcharan. Fuldol festival is celebrated from the Chaitya Krishna to Chaitya Krishna Panchami, Shapura. And there are other branches of sect, that was Sinhathal, Bikaner, Rain in Nagaur and Khedpa and Jodhpur. Saint Haridas was the founder of the Sinhathal branch. Saint Daryadas ji, that was the Rain Nagaur, and founder of Khedapa, that was the Saint Ramdas ji. So Khedapa for the Ramdas ji, and Daryadas ji, that was the Rain Nagaur, and Haridas ji, Sinhathal branch. So Dadu sect, second one. Dadu sect was from the 1544 to 1603 AD. It is the best known of Kabir follower. Dadu sect was founded by Saint Dadu Dayal. He also wrote a book named Dadu Vani. Dadu Panthi saint do not marry and live in Dada Dwara. Whenever a Dadu Panthi sadhu dies, he is no cremated, buried, body left in the forest for animal to eat. Dadus many times said that I am neither a Hindu nor a Muslim. I belong to none of the six school of philosophy. I love the merciful God. He wishes for the unification of all religion and founded the Brahma Sampradaya, the order of Brahma. In his order there was no ritual image worship. His doctrine and the teaching are collected the Bani and poetic 5000 verses, 37 chapters, the divine teacher, the mind, truth, good, faith, prayer, the hymen are sect, music and use the worship. The Bani contain the condemnation, rejection of much in Hinduism by Dadu. The Vedas, Quran, the Vedanta are rejected. Ultimate truth, ritualism, corrupt priesthood, caste, image worship used by the rosary and the pilgrimage, all are rejected. Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma was only the saint, according to the Dadu. And Dadu is rediscovered, taught much truth about the God, and that was salvation. On transmigration held that all possible rebirth, one life, one earth. And he held that possible rebirth occurring means one life, one birth. Maya, the world matter is not evil itself, it is a worldliness and not the world that evil. To Dadu was the soul is separated from God by sin. Longest poem of Bani is separation. About the love woman, he emphasizes the japa, repetition of the name of God. Dadu is allowed people to follow the secular occupation and withdrawal from the world. Meat eating was prohibited. No pain should be caused to any living creature. With the Dadupanthi, Hinduism in the modified form of the found way. The rosary is used, the Bani in worship as an icon, and Dadu and his relics are worshipped in temple. As with the Persian, the dead are exposed to the eaten by bird. Dadu was born in the Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Like Kabir, he has the miraculous birth. Traditional says Lodi Ram found him floating in the basket. His parents were Brahma who converted to Islam, and the family had Muslim names. Dadu either from the Daud like David or affectionate diminutive and of Allahabad. His father was a cotton carder, and Dadu also followed the profession. When he was 11, he was miraculously initiated by an old mendicant. He married when he was young and had 4 children, but renounced when 25, had spent the rest of life wandering preacher of northwest India. He visited Delhi and said to be have met Akbar Fatehpur Sikri. For a time he lived in a Sambar, Amber, an old capital of Jaipur. He retired to Narena near Jaipur and died. And the tradition says Dadu had 152 disciple. Dadu Varas was also there, door of Dadu. It is a special settlement. Bhavan's Stamba, 52 pillars. The Dadu Dwara have produced great deal with the literature, written vernacular and continuous commentary. There is a considerable number of the Dadu Panthi, and they are concentrated of the Rajasthan. They are divided into ascetic branches. Khalsa, meaning the pure ruling, are based on Narena, where Dadu died. They had all the Dadu Panthi leaves, and there was a great melas. The survival of the Naga, necked the warrior monk, live in the Jaipur region, Nagpant. And Uttradi are the prosperous, like Naga is the necked, Uttradi is the in Punjab, and Baba Banwari Das, who practiced the medicine and money lending. And Virakt and the Khaki. Virakt was the ochre clothes and study the teach money and difficult Sanskrit texts. They cannot touch money and live in the arm and continuously traveling the master of a large group of 150 persons. And these travel from one place to another, teaches the households. And Khaki, meaning the ash covered, wear little, have long coiled hair, and wish with age and practice they travel in small group and believe that constant movement like the stream keeps them pure. And Nihang also travel one place to another. Main sect Dadu was Narena, Jaipur. Now next is Bishnoi. So Bishnoi sect is also known the Bishnoi Prahla the Panthi. Prahla Panthi. It is a religious sect found in the western Thar desert and the northern state in India. They follow a sect of 29 principles. Jambeshwar founded the sect of the Samarthal, and his teaching was comprising 120 Shabda. Known for the Shabda, he preaches next 51 year travelling across India. Bishnoi was the founded Guru Jambeshwar, or known the Jamboji, and that was the writer have used the term Bishnoi, meaning follower of Vishnu, but sect members refer to themselves the Bishnoi, a word they are claimed in the derived from the Rajasthani language. Jambeshwar announces at 29 tenets. These were contained in the document of the Shabdavani, and it is also known the Jambavani and Devvani and the Guruvani. Now 29 tenets, and 10 are directed towards the personal hygiene and maintaining good basic health. 7 are health, social behavior, and the 4 tenets are the worship of God. 8 tenets has been prescribed to preserve the biodiversity, although most adherent unaware of that or such things of global warming as a concept, and encourage good animal husbandry. These include the ban of killing animals, and community is also directed to see that firewood they use devoid of small insect. Wearing blue clothes because of dye for coloring them is obtaining by cutting a large quantity of scrub, and that is prohibited also. The Bishnoi have the various temple which they consider the most holy. Village Mukam in the Nokha district of Bikaner, Rajasthan is the shrine for Jambeshwar. This is the principal seat. Fagun Amavasya mein there is a fair and considered pilgrimage of the Bishnoi, and the Bishnoi narrate the story of Amrita Devi, and 363 people were died because of the saving protecting the Khejadi tree, and the Jodhpur king Abhay Singh requiring wood for the construction of new palace. So that was the called the Jihnad. So noticing their action, Amrita Devi hugged a tree, and her family then adopted the same strategy. She told the soldier that she considered their action to be insult to her faith. The soldier indeed killed her and other until Abhay Singh was informed of what was going on in the interval. Some of the 363 Bishnoi who were killed is protecting tree were simple grave 4 pillar, and every year September Bishnoi assemble there to commemorate the sacrifice. Jamb Samhita, that is Bishnoi Dharam Prakash, are also a book. 29 principles are kind of observe the 5-day segregation, and the bath daily morning, obey the ideal rules of the modesty, patience, satisfaction, cleanliness, pray twice daily, and God Vishnu is everything, perform yajna, feeling welfare, devotion, use filtered water, milk unclean, firewood, speak pure words, practice forgiveness, be merciful, do not steal, do not condemn the criticize, do not lie, do not indulge in the dispute, debate, observe a fast and the Amavasya, worship and the recite Lord Vishnu, have the mercy on the living being, do not cut green tree, crush lust and anger, cook your food by yourself, provide the shelter for abandoned animal, do not sterilize bull, do not use the trade opium, do not smoke, use tobacco, do not take the bag, do not drink alcohol, do not eat meat, do not use the violet blue color. Okay, and next was there. So this was the Vishnoi sect, and this sect was now Parnami sect. Parnami sect was founded by the Paramnath Prannath, born in Gujarat. Its sect Lord Krishna considered to be the worshipped god. Principal seat of this was the Panna, Madhya Pradesh. There is a big Krishna temple in the Jaipur, Adarsh Nagar. Jasnathi, that was founded Sant Jasnathi Jat community. 36 rules are there. Principal seat sect was the Katra CR Bikaner. A fair is also held every year. Ashwin Shukla Saptami. It was Ashwin Shukla Saptami. Katra CR and their teaching are collected the Sinbhu Dada Koda. Jasnathi and sect was opposed the idolism. Agni dance was performed and Saint Laldas was the famous disciple of Jasnath. Laldasi sect, that was the Sampradaya, was founded Laldas. Laldas born the Doli Doop Alwar, and in the pure family of Mav Muslim. Laldas would become the famous due to the benevolent deeds of the efforts, and people used to flock him. He started preaching among the disciples Haridas and Prani Sad and Bikhan Sad, and he adopted the Vaishnava Hindu way, and so did his disciple who were Muslim and Hindu all caste. After the death of the Laldas, this sect was named after the Laldas, a Mali by caste, and the Mahant tradition still continues. Ramcharan, Ram Smaran and Rama name was chanting of the Rama name. Alwar as a neighboring region is also following Laldasi, and the basis of the compilation of Laldasi poem which is discovered have a oral traditions. Poem have a undergone change in the original form of language, that is Khadi Boli was the mixture of Khadik Boli they were using. Bhakti and Gyan both are important for the Laldasi. Nirgun and Nirankar. Ram is Nirgun and Laldas poetry is the Ram Smaran, so this is Nirgun, to control the mind and senses and musical modes. Okay, Haridas was the great saint poet of Laldasi and known his quality, quantity and scholarship. Sadhana. Most of poem was the form dialogue between Laldas Haridas. The poem discuss about the origin, creation, extent, elimination, universe, and attitude after the birth, dhyan, jap, tap, yoga, 5 mudras and 6 chakras and serpent power, and jog, dhyan, 5 tattvas. His poems also deal with the object worship, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Sagun, Nirgun, realizing Brahma, Prem Bhakti. Bhajan Haridas, spontaneous and simple expression of heart and about the Nam Smaran. Hari Bhakti, self communication, self realization. So he has given the importance to the tradition of Upasana. He was the inclination more towards the Nirgun Bhakti incarnation and the various Rama and Krishna. He does not differentiate between Nirgun Sagun. Haridas has the mentioned various way of the Upasana. The language of the Bhajan and Rajasthani mixed Braj dialect, sometimes more towards the Braj due to their continuous in oral tradition for the about 2 centuries. The changes of language and form are not unexpected. Thakur Das and Prabhu Sad and Nathu Sad was there, and the teaching collected into the book named the Warning of Laldas. These people say the Jairam, and a person face the painted black and has to ride donkey riding, and Diksharthi ki savari. Now Niranjani sect, that was the Haridas is founder of this sect. These people believe in the worship of the word of Niranjan. Principal sect was the Gada Nagore. Nagore mein tha. Now Kapalik, that was the tradition of known Puranic poem Shaivism, and the word Kapalik derived from the Kapala skull. Kapalik skull man, and that was Kapalik word that they smurred their body with ashes from the cremation. and revered the fires Berva from the Shiva, engaged the ritual with the blood, meat, alcohol, sexual fluids. And Lakuli's sect, that was a prominent sect and reformist of the preceptor of doctrine of Pashupat, one of the oldest sect of the Shaivism. Lakulish is the founder of the Pashupat sect, and Lakulish is considered the 28th last incarnation of the Shiva. Eklingji temple, that was Udaipur, is the most famous temple of the sect, and idol of the Lord Shiva of the Lakulish sect can be sent Suddha Mata, Jalore, and other temple. Nath sect, in the early medieval period, Nath sect originated Shiv region, and Nath Muni is considered the founder of this sect. There are two branches of the north of Rajasthan, and Beragpan, that was the Rata Dunga Manathi sect, was also established in Jodhpur. Mansingh was a follower of the Manathi sect. Now Sagun sect is the Ramananda. So it was the founder Krishnadas Prahari at Galtar, Jaipur. Founded Rasik sect, Revasa Sikkar. Rasi sect, and Ram is the Lord Krishna, worshipped like Lord Krishna. Jaipur King Savai Jai Singh promoted the Ramanand sect. Vallabh sect, that was Vallabhacharya, child Lord Krishna ki they are worshipping. Their famous mantra Shri Krishna Sharanam, and Srinathji idol was the Rajasthan by the Goswami Damodarji, Uncle Govind from the Govardhan near the Vrindavan to protect it from the hands of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was bent upon vandalizing the area. Vrindavan by the worshipping destruction of Hindu temple. When the Mughal army came to the Govardhan, the devotee of Lord showed them a title and gift given to the temple by the previous Mughal ruler. The army commander then ordered deity to be taken away from the Govardhan. For almost 6 months, the statue stayed Agra, after the which custodian of idol of Vashinathji left that place. Okay, so that was the Vallabh sect. And while the several other princes were defeated, it was Maharana Rai Singh of the Mewar who dared to provide shelter. And Rai Singh was from the Mewar, and he provided a shelter. And the idol went to the journey of Mewar 32 months, and the decision to settle the Lord Nathdwara involved as an interesting story. And Lord got stuck in the mud at the place called the Sihar. The Rana saw a divine sign, and Lord Krishna wishes to settle here, and thus a temple was built. The 1672 Lord Srinathji was placed new temple village, Sihad village, now called the Nathdwara. Okay, now Madhureshji, that was in Kota, and Vithalnathji, that was Nathdwara, and Dwarkanathji, that was Kakroli. Gokul Chandji, that was Bharatpur. Madan Mohanji, that was Karoli. Gokul Nathji, that was Uttar Pradesh. Balkrishna ji, that was Surat. Okay, now Nimbark sect, that was also known the Hamsa Sampradaya. It is one of the 4 sects of Vedic. Also Narad Sampradaya or the Sankadit Sampradaya. The principal sect of the Rajasthan is the Salimabad, and one of the seat is also in the Udaipur. So Nimbark was Salimabad and Udaipur, and they worship Radha Krishna. Jaipur King Jagat Singh promoted this sect, and Jagat Singh he promoted this Nimbark. Now Charandasi is the principal sect in Delhi and Mewat area, like Alwar, Bharatpur. That area is also the Leelas of the Lord Krishna. Now Gaudiya sect, that was Acharya Chaitanya founder. Acharya is the sect both idol Govind Devji and to Amer, and the Savai Jai Singh of the Amer built the temple Radha Govind Devji, and the Man Singh, ruler of the Jaipur, patronized the Gaudiya sect. Ruler of the Jaipur considered the Govind Devji as a ruler of the Diwan. Other all are Diwan. Vaishnav sect. The Vaishnav sect found in the Gosundi inscription 2nd century, and that was the Vaishnav sect are worshipped by Lord Vishnu. Acharya Yamunacharya 10th century, southern India. The sect is based on Bhagavad Gita. This sect is divided into the branch of Ramanuj, Nimbark, and Vallabh. Meeradasi, they are known for the name of Meeradasi. Now the other sect are Terapanthi, this religious Jainism. It was founded by the Muni Bhikham, who later became the Acharya Bishu. These people do not believe in idolism, and the initial number of saints was 13. So the 9 Acharya Sri Tulsi of the Terapanth gave the principle of the Anuvrat, and the Acharya Maha principle of Prekshadhyan. Dodi Bohra sect. The main center of this sect was the Galiakot and Dungarpur. So that was the Dodi. Jasnath this sect was founded Saint Jasnath He was born in the Katra Siyar, Bikaner, and principal seat was in the Katra Siyar. Fair is also every year Ashwin Shukla Saptami, and Sikandar Lodi donated Jasnath near the Katra Siyar land, and teaching collected the Sindhu Koda book. Book name is Koda and the Simbu Dada and Koda. Jasnathi sect opposed the idolism Agni dance in the performs, and Saint Lalnath was the famous disciple of Jasnath. Jasnathi Puran contained the ruler Saint Ramcharanji. Ramcharanji was the founder of the Shapura branch of the Ramsnehi sect and the Soda village that was in Jaipur. Kriparam was the guru. Dadu Dayal, his thoughts in the poetic form of the collected in the Dadu Vani. Dadu Dayal Jira Duha. Alak Dariba was the Dadu Panth teaching, and Daduji took Samadhi Narena Jaipur, that was the Jyesht Krishna Ashtami, and now called the Dadu Khol. Saint Rajabji was in the Jaipur Sanganer. After listening the teaching of Daduji, he do not merit promoted Dadu sect. And Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, that was eventually ended up settling its Indian subcontinent in the early 13th century when he promulgated the famous Chistiya order. And he came to India during the reign of the Prithvi Raj, and every year a fair was there, and Muhammad Gori gave him the title Sultan-e-Hind, that was the Chisti. And Saint Pipa was the Malwa region and eastern Rajasthan. So Rajput king of the Gagron, who abdicated, turned into a saint and Hindu mystic poet of the Bhakti movement. He belonged to the Chauhan dynasty. He adopted the Vaishnavism, strong monastic emphasis, disciple of Ramananda, later Nirguni belief of life, and Bhagat Pipa is considered one of the earliest influence saint of the Bhakti. Taylor community considered him as a guru. His temple situated Sandari Barmer. His Sinopat is located Gagron near the bank of Kali Sindh river. His spent life Sinopat was there, and Sinotap is there, and spent life for the Toda village of the Tonk district, which was known as the Pipa Ji cave. Okay, now Danna जी, he was disciple of Ramanand जी and भक्ति movement के थे, ये भी important टोक के अंदर. जाम्बो जी, that was the जम्म संहिता and जन्माष्टमी पीपासर नागौर में था इनका सारा मैटर. He founded the Vishnoi sect and he was a great environmentalist scientist. Mauji founded the Nishkalank sect. He was considered to be the Kalki incarnation, that was Mauji. Narhad ke Peer, that was the tomb situated the Chidawa Junjunu. Sheikh Salim Chishti was the disciple of Narhad ke Peer, and Narhad ke Peer is also famous for the Bangad ke Dani. So this was all folk saint. Other than Meera, also known the Meerabai. Meerabai was the Hindu mystic poet devoted for the Lord Krishna, particularly North India. Meera is into the Rajput royal family, but Medta, she was born as a Kudki, Pali. She mentioned the Bhaktamal, confirming that she was widely known and cherished figure of Bhakti movement. And most legend about the Meera mention her fearless and social family convention, her devotion of Lord Krishna, her treating Krishna as a husband, and she was tried to kill by her in-laws for the religious devotion. She has been a subject of numerous folk tales and legends. Thousands of devotional poems in the passionate of Lord Krishna are attributed to Meera in the Indian tradition, but just a few hundred are believed. And the easiest written record suggests that except for 2 poems, most are written down only in the 18th century. Many poems attributed likely composed later by the admired Meera. These poems are commonly known the bhajans and popular across India. Hindu temples such as in Chittodgarh fort dedicated to Meera, and he was married in an elder age Rana Sanga Bhojraj in 1516. After some time, marriage Bhojraj died, and she told the easy way of enlightenment and to Sagun Bhakti, Bhajan, dance, Krishna Samran. According to legend, went to the Ranchor temple, and Ratna Khati wrote the Narsi Jiro Mairo in the Braj language that was devoted to the Meera. that was the Ratna Khati, and Saint Gauri Bai Meera of Bagad, and she is also worshipping the Lord Krishna. And Saint Nani Bai, she was the famous singer of the Khetri, and he impressed the Swami Vivekanand by singing the Bhakti. That was Saint Nani Bai. Okay, so this all about the